so excited to welcome our Patriots back into the building and to also be welcoming some new ones for the first time. We've put together a brief little video just to hopefully answer some of your burning questions about our daily structure, drop-off, dismissal, all the things that will help you be prepared for that first day and all the days that follow in the upcoming school year.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Keith and I will be your 6th grade assistant principal. I am so excited to be joining the Liberty family this year. Each morning, our doors will open at 7:45 for any early risers, morning help sessions, and any club or athletic meetings. But then, the real magic happens at 8:35 when our hallways open to students. We love to welcome everyone and see the friendly conversation and camaraderie that happens right here in our rotunda, since relationships are truly the foundation of our work. Then, the school day will begin at 9 o'clock. Throughout the day, students will move through 7 classes where they will have engaging learning experiences. Those classes include English Language Arts, Math, Science, Social Studies, a supportive 5th academic, and their Connections courses. Teachers are ready and eager to help your students learn and grow throughout the year. Finally, our day will end at 4:15. Students will be able to go home, reset, spend time with family, enjoy any extracurriculars, and then be ready to engage in another wonderful day of learning here at Liberty Middle. We're excited to welcome you back.
Hey there, Liberty families. I'm Mr. Watson. I'm going to be the 7th grade administrator for this year, and I want to talk with you a little bit about our daily schedule, and I also want to talk with you about our car line, arrival and dismissal expectations. For our daily schedule, we're going to have 2 different types of days. We're going to have a 7-period day and a block day. In a typical week, Monday, Tuesday, and Friday would be our 7-period days, so students would see all of their classes on those days. And on Wednesdays and Thursdays, we'll have our block days. On red days, which is going to be the even classes at Patriot time, and on blue days, we're going to have our odd-numbered classes, and those will be alternating on Wednesdays and Thursdays in a typical week. For some weeks, we might change things up a little bit, but we'll post those on all of our social media platforms and in the Patriot Parent Connection newsletter that comes out every weekend. As far as our car line procedures, it's really important that we maintain a safe environment for our students to be dropped off and picked up at school every day, and that we model patience and kindness for our students, just so that when we get frustrated, we don't have any bad behavior that happens out in the car line. As far as our car line expectations, we'll have Liberty staff members out to make sure that parents and students are following all the expectations for a safe arrival and dismissal. It's really important just to make sure that you're following those directions so that we can make sure that all of our students get home safe and sound each and every day. We're excited to have everybody back on campus here in the next few weeks, and we're looking forward to a successful school year this year. Thank you.
I'm Miss Mallory, and I will be the 8th grade administrator this year. 8th graders, welcome to your final year of middle school. It's going to be an exciting year for you, filled with all kinds of great memories. This year, we charge you to be your best selves and leave a legacy here at Liberty Middle School. This school year, we are excited to bring back clubs, intramurals, and lots of sporting events. This is your opportunity to jump in and do something that you are passionate about, and in the process, meet lots of friends. So we encourage you to take a look at all the clubs offered here at Liberty. We look forward to seeing you all at our home games this year.
I hope this has answered some of your questions as you get ready to start the school year. You can also check out our website, which has tons of information, and please be sure to follow us on social media. We can't wait to see you, Patriots. Welcome home.